Hello friends and welcome to new video. Today you might be wondering what's inside this large box. So let me tell you, few days ago we have ordered laptop table and today we received it by Flipkart. So let me unbox it and show you how it looks and what features it has. Okay, let's start.
A few moments later.
So friends, now we have opened the box. Let's see the content inside the box. Let's see what we get. So here is the tabletop. This is how it looks. You have this stand below this. And along with this you get two pipes for further extension. You can see this pipe. There are two pipes, and this is a holder. It goes into this like this for keeping a mug or cup or glass of water, and a tray which looks something like this. So let me assemble this and then we'll see the final look of this product.
A few moments later.
So friends, after assembling the table, this is how it looks. Cup holder on the right side, and on the left hand side there's a tray. You can put pen, pencil or any other useful things. You can push to close the box. Both tray can be pushed inside. Below the table you have three notch to adjust the slope of the tabletop, and the pipe gets fixed over here, and it has a small screw so that you can adjust the height. You can see there are different holes, so depending upon the height you want, you can set up the screw. So this is how it gets fixed. So this is all about this laptop table. You can also use it as a study table. Please comment below if you have any questions, and please share this video if you like it, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.